In the mid-1940s, Don Surles, a Texas native and Army Air Force lieutenant, introduced the Surlesmobile, a streamliner that is believed to be the first Japanese-built vehicle to arrive in the United States. The Surlesmobile was inspired by Surles's college idea of designing a more practical car door that would open and close easily without hitting other objects or rattling. He envisioned an electrically operated clamshell retractable two-piece door that would slide into the car's roof and floor. After World War II, Surles was stationed in Japan, where he saw an opportunity to build his dream car due to the availability of cheap labor and skilled craftsmen. Along with Charles Muhlbach, an Air Force corporal, Surles bought a surplus Ford GPW and began modifying it. They extended the frame, increased the vehicle's stability, and left the four-cylinder engine and transmission in place. Surles took his plans to Tokyo Bus Works, where they built a potato-shaped streamliner with plexiglass windows, a center-mount driver's seat, and two four-person bench seats that could roll down to form a bed. The vehicle weighed over 4,400 pounds, but could cruise at highway speeds, reaching up to 70 miles an hour. Surles also claimed to have designed a highly efficient engine. The Surlesmobile featured built-in safety features, such as roll bars and doors that wouldn't open in accidents, which Surles believed could have saved many lives if put into production. After returning to the United States, Surles applied for a patent on the doors and sought car makers to build his vehicle. He promoted the Surlesmobile as a luxury car that offered unparalleled handling, riding ease, and performance. Despite Surles's claims of offers from General Motors and other corporations, the only evidence of communication with a car manufacturer is a letter between Surles and the Tucker Corporation in 1948. The Surlesmobile remained with Surles and his family until John Dudley of Hood, Virginia, bought it and displayed it as the centerpiece of his Roaring Twenties antique car museum. Recently, Dudley's family decided to close the museum and consign the Surlesmobile and over 35 other vehicles to an auction.